friends, this is the Cryptonian. Welcome back to my channel. We're taking a look at AAVE. AAVE is, AAVE is really pumping and has been for the last 4 weeks. We can see here, this is the weekly chart, and we can see here for the last 4 weeks, it's been up, up, and up. And so right now, AAVE is at 101.50, 101, 102, something like that, right here. And we're up against this line, and this is a resistance line from this price action here. Okay, so whenever you have a breakout here, which we did, this is a descending triangle. This is the base of that descending triangle, and this is the descending resistance line of that triangle. Whenever you have a breakout like we did here, the target of the triangle is the target of the pattern is at the top of the triangle, and so that top is right around 111.25, and we're at 101. And so we can see that between actually it's at 107 to 107 to 104. So we're right below that resistance line. So AAVE is at resistance now. But the reason for this video is I wanted to just kind of put this out there and give you guys some perspective. If AAVE breaks above 113, 114 actually, about 114, this white line, then AAVE has a 54% gap to the next resistance level. Next resistance level would be at about 177. Okay, now this is not going to happen overnight, and this may not happen. A break from this area may not happen for some weeks yet. It just really depends on how Bitcoin price action develops and how far Bitcoin goes, how far up next to the bear pocket, and when Bitcoin has some type of a meaningful pullback. And so typically this is Q4, so typically going into Q4, into the end of the year, there is a sell-off. Normally there's a sell-off and there's a lot of sideways choppy market action, but there's really not that much of upside the closer to the holidays, the closer to Christmas and the New Year's that we get. Now there is a little bit of a pump running up to the end of the year, and we're getting close to that. So I'm not really sure if AAVE will actually move through that resistance area, or if Bitcoin will actually make it to 41, 45, 47,000 before the end of the year. We just have to wait and see, right? But I made a video some time ago, and I made the video about AAVE down here after it came off the bottom, and it showed a reaction there that it was moving higher, and that's where I purchased. I purchased AAVE. I bought AAVE down here, and so after buying AAVE down there, I'm still holding AAVE, and I'm going to be holding AAVE till the top of the bull run next year. So that being said, we may have a pullback. If there's a pullback, it should be a higher high, excuse me, a higher low, and that would be the opportunity to then enter into the market. Now we may not get that. We may get some kind of a lower time frame pause, like on the daily excuse me, but we're not really sure how this is going to develop. So again, if you're in AAVE, congratulations. You're probably doing very well. You're actually up. If you entered where I did, then you're up about 75%, about 75% right now. So congratulations to everyone holding AAVE. And if you are in AAVE and you're going to hold long term, then once we get above that 114, then you're going to add most likely another 54% to that 70% profit, right? So that's going to be about 124% profit by the time we hit this area up here. Now, long term, how high can AAVE go? Whoops. Well, long term is still unknown, but usually these moves to the upside, they reach the golden pocket for the bears. The golden pocket for the bears is up here. That would be in this area. So the golden pocket, which is the Fibonacci 618, is at 347 all the way down to the 0.5 fib, which is 291, right? So this is the area, and we're going to color that red because, well, because that's the woods where the bears live. So anyway, which is a tremendous amount of profit if you are holding from when I entered or close to where I entered when I made the video. That's going to put you into profit of about 150 to 170, anywhere from 155 to 200, 150 to 200% in profit at that point. So anyways, there you have it, friends. I just wanted to put that out there. Wanted to let you know, congratulate you if you are in AAVE. If you're a holder of AAVE, congratulations. And again, remember, this is not investment advice. And of course, you know, past results or past price action is not indicative of future results, right? So we just need to keep that in mind. We need to, you know, keep our eye on the market. And if there's any macro changes to the market, if there's any large macro changes or trend changes, we need to be aware of that. So anyways, we're going to wrap up the video. I apologize for the phone call. Anyway, take care, friends. Please give the video a like and subscribe if you have not, if you'd like to join me on this crypto journey. And we will see you in the next video. Take care.